Emergency! The dam's structural integrity is dropping.
Rescue team, assemble!
The floodgates are jammed. If we don't open them, the dam will burst!
We need to split up. Amber, Helly, start the evacuation. Roy, you and I will head to the dam.
I'll need heavy equipment. I'm taking the construction team.
Brunner. Dump! We have a code red at the dam. Let's move! That dam needs us. Watch out!
The road is blocked! We can't get to the dam!
We have to clear it, fast! Brunner, push the small rocks. Dump, haul the mud away. Ho! Out of the way! I've got this one! I've got this one!
Attention, citizens! Please evacuate to the high ground immediately! The dam is unstable! Stay calm, Cap. Just follow the route to the shelter.
But the mail... I have to finish my delivery. Posty! Safety comes first. The mail can wait. Your life cannot. You're right, Polly. I'm going.
Good work, team! Now let's get to that dam!
Whoa! Look at the water level!
The electronics are fried! We can't open the gates remotely! Roy, pressure is at 98%. You have to use the manual release wheel.
It's all the way down there. I'll have to rappel down.
It's too slippery, Roy. You'll fall.
I have to try. Dump, hold the line tight.
I won't let you go, Roy. I promise. Promise.
Deploying winch. Going down. Whoa!
It's slippery.
The river is rising fast.
The bridge is almost underwater. Stop! The bridge is closed. Turn back. Almost there. There.
The lights! I can't see the wheel!
Jin? Polly? I'm blind out here. Communication is spotty. Helly, Roy needs light. Go! Go!
I'm on my way! Hang on, Roy! Whoa! Whoa! The wind is so strong!
Let Let there be light! Thanks, Helly. I see it.
Okay, time to open the gates.
It's stuck.
Roy is struggling. Hold the line!
I won't give up. It's moving! You did it, Roy! The pressure is dropping! Water level stabilizing. The dam is holding.
We still need to patch these cracks before they get worse.
Applying sealant now. This will hold it until the rain stops.
Bringing you up, Roy! You were amazing, Roy! A real hero!
Scenic transition.
The town is safe. Great work, everyone!
Especially you, Roy. Your bravery on the wall saved us all.
I couldn't have done it without my team anchoring me. It was teamwork.
And the citizens were safe because they listened to the evacuation order.
Team, I'm picking up a strange signal from the beach. Something washed up during the storm.
I'll go check it out. Race you there.
We'll handle the cleanup, Roy. You go rest. Thanks, Bruner. Rescue team, roll out!
Today's safety lesson. When you hear an emergency alarm, listen to the rescue team immediately. Never stay behind to pack toys or mail. Your safety is the most important thing. And we learned about P.R. Escher. Water is very heavy and pushes hard against the dam.
We used a WH eel to open the gates. This is a simple machine that helps us lift heavy things.
And don't forget light. I helped Roy see in the dark. Thanks for watching our adventure.
Stay strong and safe.
We love you. Be careful out there. See you next time. Heading up, forget to subscribe.